Hi, this is Rose Kelly at CCEH, and I'm going to walk us through pretty quickly how to run an APR report. We do have a detailed document and other resources on our website at cceh.org. For the APR, this is how to get from point A to point B and the basics. You want to click on the wrench icon, come over here to reporting on the left, down here to compliance reports. The dashboard will open, locate the report you need, COC APR for 2020. Here's where you put in your parameters. So you're going to put in your dates and the projects that you want to review here. You can run these reports for any date range that you want. You should probably be looking at these at least twice a year. I would recommend more. You don't want to wait until the end of the year and then try to clean up a lot of data errors. So I usually leave organization set to all. The projects you do have to look for and then enter individually. So you can do that by using a wildcard symbol, that's the % sign there, and then type in the first few letters of what it is you're looking for, and that will bring you up an abbreviated list to review. The window's small, you have to scroll back and forth to see the whole name, but as soon as you can see the name of the project you need, you can just click on it here, and you'll see that it puts the check marks in over here. If you're scrolling down this way and you can see these are the ones that I need, you can go ahead and click on them here. So it doesn't make any difference what side of the scroll bar you're on. When you have everything selected that you want, hit Add Selected. You always want to give this just a quick review. If you put something in that doesn't belong there, just click on it. It'll take it out. And then what you can do is save these report parameters so that you don't have to do this every time over and over again. So if you click this Save button, you need to put in a name for your report. I'm just going to put in Rose APR for right now. Make the name meaningful for you so that you know what it is when you come back in to run the report. You'll still go through the first few steps when you click on the dashboard 2020 APR report, and it'll bring you to this parameter screen. All you have to do is use the drop down, and then you'll be able to find your report in here. Come down here to the bottom and click on Report. When this opens up, we're going to be looking at the data quality tables. There are 7 total tables, and they are different parts of the report. And what it does is it breaks down different sections to focus very clearly on different data issues and errors so that it's easier to find them and correct them. When you're working with the report, make sure you're using these navigation tools. Don't use your computer's back button. We need to go to page 2 of the report, and we're going down to this link, hyperlink to Q5 and Q6 tables. This actually brings you to Q1 through Q7 tables, and all the tables work the same way. Table 1 just gives you the overall counts of the clients, so you might want to eyeball that and make sure it makes sense for the date range and the projects you put in. And then these other tables all work exactly the same way. They tell you what part of the report it is. This is the PII table. It will show you the data elements that go with that section of the report, and then it will show you what kind of errors you have. So for PII, under name, there are no issues. Under Social Security number, there are 3 instances where the client didn't know. You got 5 instances of information missing. There's an issue with one that's in there, date of birth, race. And so this gives you an idea of how many errors you have. And then you can use the link to get to the clients to fix those. So each table has this link on it. I'm not going to click on this because I don't want client information to come up on the window. But when you click on this, it will open up to a report of just the clients associated with these errors. And that gives you a very small, condensed report to work from. You'll see the client ID, the name, all the information you need to go in and fix the record. Some of the other tables are associated with HUD universal elements, income, timeliness, and they all work the same way. And if you do decide that you want to export what you're looking at, if you come up here to this disk icon, click on Excel, and this will open up into an Excel document for you. Sometimes it's a little easier to work with Excel outside of the report environment. So if you do find that you have any questions or any issues or you need help, please reach out. My email is rkelly@cch.org, and we do have other resources and more details on this report at cch.org. Thank you.